We are Team 3. I'm Bronwyn Armitage,
I'm Eric Bellini.
I'm Matthew Ferrero.
I'm Deanna Dallas.
and we are going to be exploring the 3 mega projects that we've chosen for our potential project. The first one is the Line in Saudi Arabia, and then the other 2 we're looking at are the Deer Island Wastewater Treatment Plant in Massachusetts and the Great Green Wall in Africa.
Okay, so the Line is a $320 billion project that is currently being constructed in Saudi Arabia. It is expected to be completed partially in 2030 with 5 kilometers of livable space and fully in 2045. As the name suggests, the city takes on a line shape, being 200 meters wide, 500 meters tall, and 170 kilometers long. The main goal of this construction project is to create an urban sustainable model that runs on 100% renewable energy. Not only is this model environmentally sustainable, but it also increases efficiency through technological advances in designs like eliminating roads. It also brings social benefits such as eliminating expenses for things like car insurance, gas, and parking, which will create higher income usage for citizens. Because this project is still in process, it is still being studied how resilient it will be in the future.
The next project we have is Deer Island Wastewater Treatment Plant in Boston, Massachusetts, and it was built in around 2000, and it's a $3.8 billion mega project that serves over 2.5 million people in the greater Boston area, and it transformed Boston Harbor from one of the filthiest to one of the cleanest in the nation. And this mega project is a demonstration of why sustainable systems need to develop, because our obligation as engineers to the public is to provide a clean environment, such as clean harbors for them to enjoy. And much of this case is shown through soft analysis, where people of the Boston harbors felt beaches were more safe to swim. And again, along with hard analysis metrics such as reducing contamination in muscle tissue and improving marine biodiversity and population, all demonstrate that this mega project is a prime example to be studied. And furthermore, its use of methane during the aerobic sludge digestion is act as fuel, offsets the energy costs, and that shows its environmental and economic efficiency. And due to its location, the EPA documents that are required give it lots of details and lots of reports to be studied and make it a prime example to be analyzed for this project.
Our third mega project in consideration is the Great Green Wall in Africa. So this is a fantastic $33 billion mega project, and it's a good topic to research in this course. So it spans the entire Sahel region in Africa and stands as a symbol of sustainability because it helps combat desertification in that area. So what's happening there currently is that in the Saharan region of Africa, desertification is continuously growing southern. So by the Great Green Wall project, what it's doing is creating like this wall that spans the entire width of Africa in this region. And what that does is it helps promote growth of plants and biodiversity there, and that helps reduce the desertification. Not only that, but it also helps the local economies because they're primarily agricultural. And by the expanding growth of food, it also helps feed impoverished and hungry families in that community. Different things that may affect this project that can also be researched are like weather climates and just political conflict. So in that region, droughts and just very volatile weather patterns are experienced a lot. So that will affect the growth of these trees. It's something that with time we'll be able to tell in research. Furthermore, as I mentioned with the governments, different factors such as political, economic, and environmental, those different principles, some things are going to be prioritized, some aren't. So just finding that balance within governments, it's going to be very hard, but hopefully it will be achieved and achieved successfully. So overall, there's a lot of good in this project. There's a lot of research and experience, so that's why I think this would also be a good project topic.
And that's the conclusion of our 3 projects.